Every time you jump, you land safely back on the ground. What goes up must come down after all. But what if you just kept going? Launching yourself off the Earth and into space is not a revolutionary concept. We have rockets and satellites that do this all the time. But we don't need NASA and all this massive machinery to do so. All we need is a simple principle: the escape velocity. Reach this speed and point toward the skies and you'll leave the Earth forever. Moreover, we need only two quantities to figure it out. Plugging in the values for Earth gives us 11.2 kilometers per second. This means if you jumped really hard and reached the extreme speed of 40,320 kilometers per hour, you would just leave. Quite an impressive feat. This would be quite difficult to achieve in practice, but don't give up hope of jumping into space yet. Notice the escape velocity depends on the acceleration due to gravity, which itself depends upon the mass of the planet. So what if we were to try our experiment on another planet? Let's take a trip over to the Moon. If you are able to jump 2 feet high on Earth, on the Moon you'd be able to launch yourself over 12 feet. Impressive, but still not heading into space. Another quick trip to Ceres, a dwarf planet between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is so much smaller than the Earth that a jump here would take you 70 feet towards the heavens before slowly pulling you back down. But it gets even better. If you made your way to the Saturnian moon named Mimas and decided to jump for joy, you'd launch yourself 300 feet into the air. It would take you several minutes to get all the way to the top and back down. A high jumper would be able to launch themselves to the top of the Eiffel Tower. Unfortunately, even they would eventually come back down. So, where can we go to be able to literally jump into space? Phobos. A small, irregularly shaped satellite of Mars. The gravity on Phobos is so low that, at one point, it was believed to be completely hollow. If you ever find yourself on this Martian moon, keep your feet firmly planted on the ground, or you may just fall into space forever. Launching yourself into space might cause you to discover many things. One being the other side of the moon that you have never ever seen. Click on this video to find out why and see what the dark side of the moon looks like. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this.